Hi, I'm Kendra. I'm the front desk manager at Rome Tennis Center at Berry College. I'm here to tell you about a brand new app that makes registering for programs and booking courts super easy.
The new app for the Rome Tennis Center at Berry College and also the Downtown Tennis Center is called Kourts. That's Kourts with a K. It's available for free on both Android and Apple devices. Simply open your app store, locate the search bar, and type in the app name. Again, Kourts with a K. Once you find the app, download it. Once it's downloaded, open it. When you open the app for the first time, it's going to ask you to sign in. There are several different ways you can sign in. Simply pick your preferred sign-in method, and you're into the app. Make sure to enable your location or type in our zip code 30165. By doing this, the app will populate with information from both our facilities. Now, select the Rome Tennis Center at Berry College. Book court times by selecting the left tab. There are also filter options that allow you to select indoor or outdoor courts, singles or doubles play, and other scheduling options. By clicking the right tab, you can book programming. Classes are listed in alphabetical order and are offered in different sessions throughout each season. You can also pay for a drop-in fee per class. Simply select the classes you want to register for, click all occasions if you are available for every day the class is offered, or uncheck the classes you cannot attend, and the app will adjust your price accordingly at the bottom of the screen. Once you are ready to sign up for the class, go ahead and click Sign Up, located at the bottom of the screen. Once you save your credit card information, you'll be signed up for the class, and it's that easy.
Remember, the app is totally free and there's no additional cost when using the app. If you run into any issues, give us a call at 706-236-4490 or stop by the front desk and one of our friendly staff will be happy to help.